Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a part 3 of fixing my old blue slime. Not that old, it's really sticky, and I accidentally already started, guys, but I'm putting in some like brown clay like this, and I'm really scared it's going to turn out like this one because I want different ones, so I added in a little bit of that. I'm so scared, but we're going to keep mixing to see what happens. Because I thought I was recording before, but I wasn't. So that's why I accidentally started. You know, can I just like keep this like this? Like blue, but with the chunks. That would, yeah. I wish I could, but I just started the video. And we don't want it to be like that. Because when I play with it, it's just gonna go all that coloured anyway. So yeah. Oh, shoe fly. Sorry guys, there was just a fly flying around my head. And it was really annoying. And I don't know why I keep looking up in these videos. I guess I'm just looking up at the slime. But I need to be looking at the camera. So, I am so happy, guys. It's not turning out like this one. It's turning out like that one, sort of. And that's good. Really good. And I think I'm going to leave it like this, actually. No, I'm not. Oh, and guys, make sure to check out part 1 and part 2. And yeah, I think this will be good.